Guys, this is my dog. Yun, is a lot the baby already, but dog catcher very smart. He cannot catch that dog. And this time, Mr. B, kaya nandito tayo sa labas ngayon guys ng bahay. Move darling, move. Magsinigang tayo ngayon. Sinigang with mango. Haluan natin ng mango. Okay, tinan nyo muna yung pula natin ng atin ihalo sa sinigang natin na maputi guys. Ang grahe ng ano. Yan ang aking portakulo. Yung anak ko guys. Itong dragon fruit namin, Mr. B. Hindi pa ano, yung tinatawag sa yung kay Mito. Yan ang kwarto ko. Yung bunso ko. Yan. Kaya itong 4,000 gallons yung tangke. Ngayon, dito tayo ngayon Mr. B. Sa likod ng bahay ko. Kaya, wow, masarap yung ano yung taon kamuti. Pero ngayon, yan ang tanglad namin guys. So dito tayo ngayon sa Balunggay. Okay, Balunggay with lemongrass. Ang yalo natin, this is the lemongrass guys. Okay, katuplan muna natin habang kukuha tayo ng ano balunggay. Okay, kontes na guys Alright guys, Mr. B, after mo na dito Mr. B, tatlong kamatis na ating nagyalo sa sinigang natin. Yung nakaraan ng sinigang natin, yung ano, yung bundang kamote sa likod dito. Pakitan guys, ang using balunggay. Now with may pamaputi, panak, ano. So ganyan ang aking panakot lang. Guys, maniwala kayo sa hindi, you believe or not, in the state, ang isang maliit, small little bit, this one, is a $5. It's only $5 in the state. Now we have there also, but you have to find, you can see it, only the Philippines store. This is the balunggay. $5, like small. One I think, yeah, very small $5, but this is my plantation for my wife. And this is the lemongrass. You can buy also there in the state. In like this one is $5 too, but it's not colors green already old already, guys. It's not the same this one for me because my wife is very good for farmer. Balunggay, potato leaves, and the lemongrass everything is fresh. Especially Papa Jerry to cutting for maputi this morning and Mali too. Right, this now I'm making sinigang with lemongrass with balunggay, and this is it. Okay. Starting tayo guys. Mr. B, magsimula na ako ngayon sa aking pagluluto. Alright? This is a Filipino sinigang with Papa Jerry. This is my making sinigang. In the street guy, I don't making sinigang because it's very expensive and even the fish there is very expensive. Like this one. Maputi, like $14. You know? But there, I don't know how much now, like $4 or $5 now. But for me, I'm not buying. Now I'm very happy because I'm here again in Saipan to make sinigang anywhere I want, like to make my food. That's why I'm starting to eat vegetable because my diabetes, guys. Okay? Alright, let's go. Start. Now, Mr. Sablan, I contains bro. Junior, this is my sinigang. Okay, let's go. Alright guys. Ayan na guys, oh. Yung garlic, onion, and potatoes, yeah, and also the lemongrass I put already. But and also this one guys, lagay ko na yan guys, sitaw. Sitaw pala tayo. Yan, kasi matagal yan side guys, magano guys, lambot, hindi tayo makakain. Yeah. Yan ang ingredients guys, ha. Mr. B, ito naman ang aking luto. Yung aking sinigang. Fresh lahat yan guys, except sa talong. Yan, ito yan. Ngayon, ito naman ang isda natin guys. Yan ang isusunod nating isda. Kaya ito na yung balunggay natin. Yan, isda natin. Kaya itong balunggay natin. Kaya itong makulit natin nga pusa sa baba. Ayan o, tinan mo. Yan. Yan na yung lifetime ko ngayon dito sa Saipan guys. Ayan na, continuous na natin to ha. Iking papa sinigang with balunggay ha. Alright. Okay guys, ito na ha. Lagay ko na si mama sa masarap pong sinigang. Saka si Malit sa sinigang ko guys. Saka si Sayuri, lagay ko na rin ang malaki kong yan guys ha. Kasi itong mga paborit guys, kasi sa totoo lang yan sila. Ano yan sila? Matamis-tamis. The small one na maputi, ang sayuri dangkod. The flavor is like sweet. Alright, continuous na guys. After this one, yung balunggay na. Pag broil already, is it Mr. B? Or is it my sinigang? After this one, eating time. Ito na guys. Ilagay na natin yung balunggay natin guys. Balunggay guys. Maraming balunggay yan. Ito may talong pa ko guys na ano. Hindi ko nasama. Maganda to, gamot sa diabetes ang balunggay guys. Yan na guys ha. Ito yun na ha. Ano pa hinihintay natin guys? Nakahanda na si Mrs. guys. Kainan na guys. Ayun na. Wow. Ito na guys, ang sinasabi ko guys. Matipid tayo guys sa ano guys sa isda. Guys, alright, that's it. Okay, thank you guys. Time to eat. Doon na tayo sa kabila naman ha. Kainan na. With watching the video guys, Papa Jerry. Alright, shout out Omar, shout out my darling in Sacramento, with Errol Perido in the state, si Van Johnny, and David Sablan. Alright boys, kainin na boys. And Santos this morning guys, family. Shout out.